to the last lecture of our unit Human Eye. We have covered all the concepts related to the human eye. Today we will do some numericals based on the defects of the vision of human eye. So we will discuss some numericals, then your human eye would be completed. In the next lecture we will start with the next unit. So the numerical is, first numerical is a student needs a lens of power -2 diopters to correct his distinct vision. Find the focal length of the given lens. Find the focal length of the given lens. So a student needs a lens of power -2 diopters to correct his distinct vision. So this is the power of lens required by a student to correct his defect of vision. Now the examiner is asking find the focal length of the given lens. So in this question he is asking about the focal length of the lens to be used in his spectacles. So मतलब क्या लेंस वो अपने जो स्पेक्टिकल्स होंगे उसमें जो लेंस लगाएगा उसकी पावर अगर 2 डायोप्टर्स है, -2 डायोप्टर्स है, तो उस लेंस की, उस स्पेक्टिकल्स के अंदर, उन चश्मों के अंदर जो लेंस लगा हुआ है उसकी फोकल लेंथ कितनी है, दैट इज you are supposed to find out. So you know that power is reciprocal of focal length. Power is equal to the 1 by focal length, and power is given as -2 diopter, and this is equal to the 1 by f. From here we can find out the value of f. F would be minus of 1 by 2, and this is in diopter, so we have to simply in numerator we have to multiply it by 2. So it would comes out to be minus of 50 centimeter. So focal length of the given lens is -50 centimeter. So this is the answer, students. Next numerical is a man wears, question 2, a man wears, एक आदमी है जो ग्लास स्पेक्टिकल्स पहनता है ऑफ पावर 4 डायोप्टर्स. What is the focal length of the focal length of the lens of his spectacles? I hope question is clear. A man wears glass of power 4 diopters. Again, that means a man is wearing spectacles of power 4 diopters. That means power is +4 diopters, and he is asking about the focal length of the spectacles. So what is the focal length of the spectacles? So focal length would be reciprocal of power. So focal length f is equal to 1 by t, and this is equal to the 1 by 4. Simply we will multiply by 100 to make it in a centimeter, because we want focal length in centimeter, so we will divide it by 100. So it would be 25 centimeter. So focal length of the lens is equal to the 25 centimeter. Now I am changing the statement. A man wears glass of focal length 25 centimeter, and what is the power of the lens. Now you are supposed to find out the power of the lens of his spectacles. अब आप समझ गए होंगे आपको क्या करना है. मैंने फोकल लेंथ आपको दी है. फोकल लेंथ इज 25 सेंटीमीटर्स. 25 सेंटीमीटर है फोकल लेंथ. पावर वुड बी, power of the lens is given as 1 by focal length. So this is equal to 1 by 25. 100 से multiply कर देंगे ऊपर. So it is 4 diameter. So I hope students now you are clear. If focal length is given, you can find out the power. In the previous question, power was given as 4 diopters and focal length was 25 centimeter. Now I have changed the statement. I have said that 25 centimeter is the focal length. Find out the power. So power is reciprocal of the focal length. So 1 by f, and f is 25 centimeter, and numerator में हम 100 से multiply कर देंगे. So it is 4 diopters. Next numerical is a far-sighted person. A far-sighted person can't see objects, cannot see objects placed closer than 50 centimeter. Okay. Find the power of the lens. Find the power of the lens needed to the object at 20 centimeter. इस क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे. एक फार साइडेड पर्सन है, कैनॉट सी ऑब्जेक्ट्स प्लेस्ड क्लोजर देन 50 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. ही कैनॉट सी द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर प्लेस्ड लेस देन 50 सेंटीमीटर. सो फाइंड द पावर ऑफ द लेंस नीडेड टू द ऑब्जेक्ट एट 20 सेंटीमीटर. तो अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट को 20 सेंटीमीटर पे रखना चाहते हैं तो उस केस में जो पावर होगा वो क्या होगा. सो सिंपली पावर के लिए we need focal length, and focal length can be calculated by the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. क्या v और u यहाँ पे गिवन है? यस गिवन है. v आपको गिवन है -50 सेंटीमीटर और u आपको गिवन है -20 सेंटीमीटर. Simply you have to put the values of v and u. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v. 1 by v is -50 centimeter minus u. u is -20. Minus minus plus. इसको सोल्व कर लेंगे. LCM would be 100. 50 2s are so -1 and 2 25s are 100. So it is -3 by 100 is your 1 by f. We need to find out the focal length. For the focal length, we will take reciprocal. Here also we will take the reciprocal. So f is -100 by 3. By using the focal length, we can find out the power because power is 1 by f. And what is f? f is 1 by minus है तो 1 by 100 and 3 ऊपर चला जाएगा न्यूमरेटर में, and this is multiplied by 100. So now the power is -3 diopters. Clear? Next numerical is a person with myopic eye. एक पर्सन है जो मायोपिया से सफर्स है. मायोपिक आई कैन नॉट सी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ऑब्जेक्ट्स को नहीं देख सकता है बियॉन्ड 1.2 meter. That means myopia क्या था? A person can see nearby objects but cannot see far objects. तो वो पास का तो देख सकता है but cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meters. That means जो भी objects 1.2 मीटर से दूर रखे हुए हैं उनको that person cannot see. So इसके लिए क्या बोल रहा है आगे वो? What should be the type of the corrective lens? What should be the type of corrective lens used to restore the proper vision? Used to restore the proper vision. तो प्रॉपर विजन वापस से उसका रिस्टोर हो जाए उसके लिए व्हाट शुड बी द टाइप ऑफ करेक्टिव लेंस. तो उसके लिए कौन सा लेंस वो यूज करे. तो जो यहाँ पे इमेज जो फॉर्म होगी इमेज डिस्टेंस दैट वी विल टेक v इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ 1.2 मीटर एंड what is myopia? Person can see nearby objects but cannot see far objects. तो यहाँ पे जो हम u लेंगे वो far objects को नहीं देख सकता. तो यहाँ पे जो u लेंगे वो हम infinity लेंगे. And he is asking about the what should be the type of corrective lens used to the what should be the type of corrective lens used to be to restore the proper vision. That means we need to find out the power of the lens to be used to restore its vision. ठीक है, to restore his vision कि फिर से वो देख पाए, दूर का देख पाए. उसके लिए जो हम लेंस लेंगे उस लेंस की पावर क्या होनी चाहिए. तो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आप समझ गए होंगे कि इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द पावर ऑफ ए लेंस देन यू हैव टू find first the focal length. So we need to find out the focal length first. And focal length can be find out by using the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. That means by using the length formula. Here v is minus 1.2 meter and u is minus 1 by infinity. So simply 1 by f is equal to minus 1.2 meters. Now f is equal to minus 1.2 meter. Now what is power? Power is reciprocal of focal length. So power is equal to 1 by f. So power is equal to minus 1 by 1.2 meter. और यहाँ से अगर आप इसको सोल्व करते हो पॉइंट हट जाएगा, इट विल बिकम 10 एंड इसको सोल्व करोगे तब पावर इज इक्वल टू 0.8 एंड ऑलमोस्ट 0.83 डायोप्टर्स के नियर बाई आएगी पावर ऑफ द लेंस required to restore the proper vision. Students, this is all about the human eye. Numericals also we have covered. If you feel any doubt, I have given you my number. Please let me know. If you find any type of problem, do ask me. In the next video, we will start our next unit. Thank you.